We're here with the best player of the game here in Game 3, Melvin Borjal, who had 24 big points, 7 big rebounds for the Purple People of Tabaco. Melvin, what a series and what a game it has been here. It took 3 games to win this championship for you in Tabaco City. What does this championship mean for you and your team?
Itong laro pong ito, pinasalamat po unang-una po kay Lord. Pinaghandaan po namin to kasi na-struggle po kami sa game to. Nagawa po kami ng mga strategy tas and then play po para ma-execute namin. And then po, ngayon, nagawa namin sa game 3. Kaya yun po yung mas pinanalo namin. Yung strategy namin po and then yung play po. Yun.
Speaking of losing game 2 by double digits, it was a tough matchup here for you guys against Team Bakakay. Could you talk about what were the sort of challenges that Team Bakakay present to you as a team in Team Tabaco? Because they did bring it to a deciding game 3. What sort of challenges did you have to face here against going up against a team like Team Bakakay?
Para sa amin po, hindi po kami tumigil po. Kahit natalo man po kami, ito pinangarap po namin to. And first time po to sa Tabaco City mag-champion kami. Kaya hindi namin po tinigilan hanggat di namin makukuha yung gusto namin mangyari na mag-champion po kami. Yun lang.
Again, 24 points, 7 rebounds for this guy, this big guy, number 3, Melvin Borjal, named the best player here for tonight. Or what does that mean for you, being named as one of the best players, if not the best, for your team, and not just for your team, but for the whole first district of Albay?
Itong pagiging best player ko po, hindi ko po ito makukuha kung wala yung mga teammates ko po. Nagtulong-tulong po kami para makuha namin to. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin sa Tabaco, yung mga coaches po, at unang-una po kay Kuya Ad sa pagtulong sa amin para matupad yung pangarap namin maging champion po. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta, maraming salamat po sa Team Tabaco. Thank you.
And speaking of those other players, could you share a little bit of love? Who else on your team do you think deserve more praise, more respect in their performance here in the final round? Who else in your team deserves that sort of recognition?
Para po sa akin, yung lahat po ng kakampi ko, deserve nila po. Pero kung papipiliin pa po ako ng isa, masasabi ko lang po si Brent Bornilla po yun kasi binigay niya po yung best. Pero lahat po kami, ginawa namin yung best namin para makuha yung champion na to. Pinagpaguran po namin to. Kahit marami nagbabash sa amin, napakita namin yung best namin. Thank you po.
I agree. Bornilla was ballin' as well. Last question for you. What is the celebration going to be like for Team Tabaco here tonight?
Baka konting inuman, magpapahinga po kasi yung karamihan sa amin injury na din po. Tapos mag-outing na din po kami sa Boracay.
There you go. Congratulations once again to Team Tabaco. This is your best player, Melvin Borjal. Congratulations, boss.
Thank you po, thank you. Maraming salamat po. Team Tabaco, mabuhay! Mabuhay!